Hey everybody, Dave here, Lost Shop Metalworks. Today I'm going to do Canister Damascus in a coal forge by hand. And I'm going to be using timing chain, 15N20 and 1084. Stay with me. Alright, I figured I'd bring you in close for this part. So we got two pieces of timing chain. I don't really remember what vehicle it came off of. Four pieces of 15 and 20. Oh, that's a tight fit. I know it fits. Everything fits when you hit it with a hammer. Cool. All right, now we just got to add the powder. There you have it. Let's get the cap on it and get it in the fire. All right, here we go with the first weld. Second weld. Third weld. Alright, so ended up doing 5 welding heats on this. Let's cut it off and see what happens. Alright, so got it out of the can. Came out pretty damn easy. So the proof's in the pudding. It is possible to do Canister Damascus by hand in a coal forge. Do it.